Wow, Bitcoin has continued to dump. We are seeing the entire altcoin market bleeding. I'm not even able to use my favorite voice to speak with you guys today. It's like my voice is dying because Bitcoin is dying. Of course not. My voice is intact. It's just that I'm just in a mode that I want you guys to feel as if I'm feeling bad, but I'm not feeling bad. Oh boy, the market looks somehow not good, not good. But when we look at crypto bubbles on the daily time frame, yeah, you can see clearly that on the daily time frame, some coins have started recovering, while some are still, yeah, they are still in blood. We saw some altcoins down right down to about, let's say, I mean, right now it should be about 16%, 20% for the past 24 hours. So this is a real time dump. We can click either of these altcoins, see that like hype is down, hyper liquid is down for the week 14%. And if we look, let's just go to the weekly time frame and see this more properly because it's more easier that way. You can see hyper is down 14%, and some few altcoins are still doing well against Bitcoin. Now, most of you who watch your profits being eaten by Bitcoin, you can confess with me or confess to me that if you would have cashed out your profit, then maybe you would have been better off being in Bitcoin now, while you buy most of these altcoins that took a huge dips, not doing that much well. But I would say Baby Dogecoin is at a key level still, and from here, anything can happen. We can see a huge spike for Baby Dogecoin, to go and make the next high to the upside. All right, guys. Today I just want us to look at the market and let's see what is going on. I have a little bit of cold, that's why I'm talking like this. It's not as if I'm feeling bad or something like that. Just a little bit of cold, but I have to do this video for you guys. You know, yeah. Like my stream is not okay right now, but I think it's a little bit I'm dropping frames. I don't know what's going on. Maybe my internet connection is not good, but I think it should be fine now. I think so. Anyways, guys, you are welcome here. This is a Beton Crypto. I'm here to help you understand what is going on in the market. Are we gonna see the market keep dumping? Are we gonna see reversal during the UK session? We are in the UK session, but towards the end of the UK session, we're gonna see the market reverse. Maybe Bitcoin is gonna do something during the US session. I don't know. We're gonna look at the chart to give us that confirmation. There's a lot we're going to discuss here today, guys. Trust me, we're going to discuss on a lot of stuff today, that I think will help us shape the direction of where towards where the market is heading. And yeah, stay tuned if you're the first. If this is your first time on my platform, do smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Okay, let's get to this chart. First of all, I want us to look at let's see what's going on with Baby Dogecoin. Yeah. This is Baby Dogecoin on, let me see. This is what time frame? On the daily time frame. Um okay, guys. Let's stick with this on the weekly time frame first before we head to the daily time frame. Right? So let's just see what's going on here with price, and from where we are right now, I think Baby Dogecoin is still in an uptrend. Okay. And let me just bring in the Fibonacci tool here to confirm where we are with this bad boy. Let's just see where we are from here to the top. Oh boy, we have left our range. Oh, we are just around our range, So what I want to see Baby Dogecoin to do is to not close like this. The weekly candle shouldn't close below the 0.786 zone, so it should close above it. If that's gonna be the case, then we're gonna be parabolic bullish for Baby Dogecoin. And again, those of you who didn't cash out profit around this price point, it's okay. You don't have to sell now. It's already the Dogecoin is already at a point where maybe we're gonna see some reversal, but at the same time, we can still see maybe Dogecoin price do something like this. It can still come right down here a little bit before attempt to go back to form next high. Okay, so something like this can happen, or it can stay up here before go to the next high. But I think either scenario, something like this gonna happen on this chart before we see the next move to the upside. And I think we're not gonna see maybe Dogecoin break, you know, close below this zone. I don't think it's gonna happen. If that's the case, then I think um I'm gonna start doubting maybe Dogecoin investors, if say they are real investors, or maybe just people who just want to play um like the whales. I'm talking about the whales, those who have huge investment, the market makers. If say they allow price to do that, then I think they are just out there to dump, to pump and dump this good project, which is not good. Anyways, let's see what is going on right now with Bitcoin. We're gonna look at some couple of altcoins, no doubt, but let's see what is going on with Bitcoin. I think we are gonna see some sort of reversal. Let's see. Let me see if say let me look at a different chart. Maybe we are seeing yeah, we're gonna see reversal, because you can see looking at this RSI is some sort of divergence here. So I think we're gonna, like, guys, if say you wanna trade this, you can trade this, you know. And let's see the target. Let me go to a different chart to see if say we can plug in the target here for Bitcoin. I'm gonna use the hybrid system instead. Okay, we are on the 15 minutes time frame right now. So if we were to take a trade, maybe they can bring it right down to $93,000, right? Before they take it to the upside. They can do that. But in either scenario, I think if say you are stop out, you get stop out here. If say you want to take a quick trade, you can do it like this. Target should be this moving average here, the beta moving average, or you can target 102, or just target $100,000 for Bitcoin. Because if we look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that we have right up to $105,000 for the next 3 days. But let's look at the next 12 hours. Let's see what price might do for the next 12 hours. Okay, yeah, they can take price right up to 97. Yeah, even 100K, but 97 thousand is something doable. They can take it like easily, can go there easily. So depending on what leverage you are using, you can easily cash out some profit here. So yeah, this could be a good trade for you. Let me see how many percent you can make from there. Let's see. If you're targeting, there's just a 98, or all of these vectors here should be $100,000. Yeah, so this should be a good risk reward. So you can target, you can place a buy order, and like with a with a tight stop loss. Or let me just close this alpha trend stuff. I'm trying to close this alpha trend. Let me see if I can get it. I'm not able to get it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it makes sense, guys. If say you are to take this trade here, it makes sense now. So you can easily take the trade, because on the 4 hours time frame, we are already seeing the alpha trend, sorry, the trend below printing this red zone here, like it's showing oversold. So I think from there, maybe we can start seeing some sort of recovery. And if the market is not recover, I think the target is gonna be where the alpha trend printed this sell signal. So to be more precise, I think it's gonna be around 98. yeah, $98,000, something like that. So that's gonna be one. mm, yeah, not really much, but it's something that you can take out of this trade. It's really, but I think all coins are gonna pump more, so you can get a nice, good trade from all coins. Let me take off this label. Yeah, you can print a nice good trade here. Yeah, looking at this, yeah, you can print a nice good trade here, and you can target $100 or sorry, $100,000, or this 98,000 dollars for Bitcoin. So this could be a quick trade for you to take. I'm gonna like wait a little bit for confirmation before I take the trade. I want to see what will happen with the US market or towards the end of the Asian market to see what will happen. But I think I might take this trade if I see some sort of movement, like multiple rejection here on this 50 minutes time frame. Then I might take this quick trade. I think maybe with 5x leverage. Yeah, something like that. That could be some sort of decent um yeah, I can see you guys who are watching. The dude, have a great day. CSPRO. Okay, I'm gonna look at that until after January 2nd. Yeah, I think until after Trump inauguration, before we can see, so, like, can really confirm what is going on in the market. I think the market is pricing towards that. So yeah, something like that. But this is a good trade to take. Trust me. I don't want to go and start analyzing Bitcoin again. I've already done that. I've already shown you guys key levels already on Bitcoin. In the past, yesterday we talked about these key levels already. So I'm not gonna go and start talking about the same thing again with you guys. We already do something like this yesterday, and I marked these zones for you. I told you we can see Bitcoin trade below, but one thing I'm seeing here, which I'm loving it, is that Bitcoin is still above the 50-day moving average, which is good. And we don't want to see Bitcoin close below this 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. So Bitcoin can keep moving around. You can see, like, if I zoom in here, you're gonna see that Bitcoin has been rejecting around this 50-day moving average. So we want to see, we want to continue and see more rejection around this 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. And if we look at some, like, let's just go to Baby Dogecoin 2. Maybe the same thing is happening here with Baby Dogecoin. No, this is different. But there's something here about Baby Dogecoin that I think you should pay attention to, is that price is eating all of these gains that price did create back then, when it was, I think this was, which, or maybe it was launched, when it was launched on, no, it wasn't the Binance Palm. I think this was something else, this Palm. And I always say to you guys about these vector candles, that when you see price do something like this, it means at one point they can recover all of this vector candle, and your coins depend on what, yeah, the movement of your coins depend on what Bitcoin is doing. So you have to be patient to wait to see what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin gives you the signal, then good and fine. So now we should create this zone here for Baby Dogecoin. I think maybe we can do something like this to create a zone where maybe this could be the area where price might bounce a little bit before we see the next move to the upside. I think that could be the case, or that should be the case. Let me bring in the volume profile to confirm if this is the way forward. So let's block it from here to this move here. Let's see where we are. Okay, yeah, that should be. I mean, they have already drop price down, so we should bounce from here. And if, say, you want to start looking at a zone to buy Baby Dogecoin, like to feel comfortable buying Baby Dogecoin, then you want to see Baby Dogecoin do something like this. You can see the alpha trend is printing this downward, so it's gonna come right down here. So you want to see Baby Dogecoin go above here, hold this zone, this above this value area low, like this. Maybe if do again something like this, then take the ride to the up. I recommend you to, like, those of you who are swing trading, maybe Dogecoin is good, it's fine. You can buy, you can DCA more. Those of you who just want to make a quick day trade from this coin, now is not the time to buy this baby. You can wait a little bit to see multiple confirmation on the daily time frame, maybe today, tomorrow, or Friday. I don't know, maybe something like that. But we should see more confirmation here to give us a signal. But overall, we are still in an uptrend for baby Dogecoin, despite this pullback, which is normal, which is healthy. And we can see this pullback with other coins. You can see, let's look at Solana. You can see Solana is also doing not good, but it's pulling back towards this moving average. You can see the moving average is here, waiting for Solana to bounce from it. So I think Solana can move sideways because it is at a key zone. Yeah, a key resistance zone. Sorry, a key support zone. Yeah. So I think maybe it can hold, yeah, but if say it break, then you're gonna come right down and might hit this zone or recover most of these vectors here. You can see there are some unrecovered vectors, yeah, that I think Solana can go to recover. That's gonna be not good for Solana. I think it might happen because I'm looking at this now. I'm seeing this moving average is trying to crisscross this on the daily time frame. So guys, this doesn't look so good for Solana. Let's see if you have some other coins you can share with me. Let me do some quick analysis on it right now. But let me see. I want to see baby Dogecoin. Yeah, let me see this on the daily time frame. Sorry, on the 4 hours time frame. I want to see if say we got um something going on here. Yeah. This just confirm more on what I'm trying to say. You can see, yeah, down. So it's not the time to buy baby Dogecoin. You know, let's call this a go. But look, let's see what is happening with Boomer. Book of memes is the right time to buy a book of memes. You know, let's see what's going on with book of memes on the daily time frame. This bad boy also is down. Don't know why this is taking time to load. Okay, we are here now. Yeah, I think yeah, I would say maybe you can buy book of memes. Is sitting at a good zone right now. Yeah, you can buy it, but of course, guys, I am not a financial advisor. The reason why I mentioned buying this coin is because of what the coin has done in the past. You can see, if not of what Bitcoin is doing, then we would have seen some sort of quick movement. So I think it can come right down to 270 um 79 million cap before the next move. But this move here, it was as a result of what Bitcoin did yesterday. If Bitcoin would have gone up, then book of memes would have also gone up. So most of these coins are like behaving this way because of what Bitcoin is doing. And this takes me back to what I always say to you guys, that you should look at Bitcoin before you do anything. Don't just go and start buying coins without you knowing what Bitcoin is doing. That's why I had to look at crypto bubbles first to see what the bubbles are saying here, like for the week, for the day, or which coins are doing well, which coins are not doing well. So you can see pretty much good for the week. Most of these coins are doing well against Bitcoin, anyways, for the week, right? But not that significant much against Bitcoin. But for the day, oh boy, Bitcoin is killing all of them. You can see most of them are down significantly for the day. Okay, so that's something I wanted you guys to see about um crypto bubbles or buying altcoins when Bitcoin gives you the signal. Now, there's this coin I want us to look at that I think is gonna. Okay, I was saying this in my group and it's already happening. I said that FAR is gonna be one of those coins to recover hit hard, and you can see FAR is up 14% already. you know, Fala is up 14% already. So, but again, don't get caught up with this movement, this Fala movement. Fala is moving, yeah, good and fine, but don't get caught up with this movement, you know, because it might just be a fake out. Then we see another drop, until we see Fala break structure and trade above 37, let's say 38, above 38 cent before we can confirm that Fala is back in an uptrend. But again, there's something really nice here. It should be double bottom here. You can see it should be a nice double bottom. And whenever we see double bottom, it means price want to reverse. And also we are seeing, or I'm seeing this vector candles, this vector candle here. But again, this doesn't confirm to me that we are back in an uptrend for Fala. But Fala is one of the top AI agent launchpad that I think you guys should pay attention to. If not now, maybe later on. And yeah, guys, you can see what I'm saying here is exactly what Fala is doing. But I mentioned in my group that Fala is one of those, like, not only Fala, I mentioned other coin, but Fala has been a coin doing well recently. And this vector candle that Fala is printing, I don't like it. This is like the market makers, they're the one who trying to um entice you guys to buy it now. But you can see this red zone here. It signifies huge liquidity for Fala. So I think until price break that zone before we can confirm, or I can confirm that actually Fala is back in an uptrend. We can see this movement fade out back here, and again, if say this move is a good move for Fala, I want to see it hold here, you know. So if say we're gonna see some sort of retracement back, it should hold. And it did hold because this candle, it retraced from here after this huge pump to the upside. You see this first pump, it reject, this one reject, this one it crossed, and this one attempted this zone, then it moved. Now it's here. So you're gonna play something like this, do more like downward before it goes to the upside. So I'm gonna buy it anyways, not now, but I'm gonna wait for this to play out to my favor before I get into it. No, I'm just trying to see if say you guys have some coins that you want me to look at. But let me see CSPR Casper. You mentioned that I should talk about CSPR Casper. Let's see what CSPR is doing. By the way, did I sell my CSPR Casper? I think I sold it. But again, guys, let's say we are sitting at this cold zone for Casper. I love what I'm seeing here for Casper. Trust me. And what am I seeing here? What I'm seeing here is the fact that price is holding and has been holding this key level. Yeah. But there's one thing here that price can do. Price can come and recover these vectors here, which is doable. And if that's the case, then I think it's gonna be around 0.01057. So price can CSPL price can do something like this, come right down to this area here, before we see the next move to the upside. You know, so be aware of this scenario. It can play out like this, or it can stay within this range. Move sideways, go up, go up, come down before the next move to the upside. But if we zoom out, like zoom in, you can see that this coin have actually recovered back to the zones I mentioned earlier in my previous videos. I told you guys that I want to see it break this key area here, then come back hold, and it's doing exactly that. You know, so CSPR Casper, I think it looks bullish. Anyways, today is preparing to make a huge move to the upside. Let's just look at this on the daily time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, let's see. Okay, yeah, you can see on the 1 hour time frame, it's showing that this should reject. Because if it doesn't reject, then as I mentioned, you're gonna come right down to 0.1000 price point, which is not good, guys. It's not good. So that's what Casper might do. You know, talking about meme coins, let's look at Miro. Oh, Miro has done significantly. But if I look at mirror on the daily time frame, I think it's respecting key levels. And ever since, or like always, when price get to this zone, we see rejection. So we should expect rejection. Yeah. And I think, guys, this is the final dip for this. Like before we're gonna see, like, let me not say this is the final dip. I think before we see the next all-time high for most of this coin, this is the final dip before we see all-time high. I think that makes sense now. Not as if we're not going to see another dip, but this should be the dip for now before we see a huge upward trend for the altcoin market. Now, talking about the altcoin market, let's see what Total Tree is doing. Okay, Total Tree, boy. Even though we are seeing this downward trend for the entire crypto market, I love what I'm seeing here for Total Tree. What am I seeing here? I'm seeing it respecting or holding this key level, yeah, which is awesome. I want to see it hold that key level. I don't want to see it come right down here. So for me, if it hold this key level, then the next target is gonna be 1.4 trillion or maybe above that, and that's what we want. So if that's the case, then price is gonna form something like a W here, then take the ride to the upside. So, like, guys, I think overall the entire crypto market is still bullish. So if your coin is down 10%, 20% after a huge dip, so after a huge pump, then don't complain. Just reassess the market to see what is actually like what you can do to remedy the losses if say you might incur more losses. Okay. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't have much to lament with you guys today. I just want us to. I just wanted us to look at the market, looking at Bitcoin, looking at altcoins and Dogecoin. We have seen everything that we need to see, and let's see. Do I have anything else here? No, I think I don't have anything else. Yeah, to show you guys, except you guys have something to show me. But overall, guys, yeah, I think the market still looks somehow bullish. I'm sorry, my mood is not really that vibe, a little bit of cold. So, but I have to do this. I have to do this for you guys always. I love doing this always with you guys. And yeah, take care of yourself. Let's do this today evening again. I think maybe I'm gonna be live to talk about maybe AI agent or something else. But so far so good. I think that's it for today's video. All right, guys. See you the next.